以下共享今日主题：量子生态场物系对比异次元，奇数栏目第18集是异次元解密。首先共享物质宇宙的形成。宇宙 universe 是所有时间空间以及其内容物所构成的统一体，它包含行星、恒星、星系、星系际空间、次原子、粒子以及所有的物质与能量。宇意指空间，宙喻指时间。宇宙大爆炸的那一刹那，从真空中射出原始光，并制造出无数的粒子和反粒子。粒子与反粒子因相互结合而消失，二者性质完全相同者，在相互结合后变回原始光。据此，不可能留下任何的物质，例如星系、星球及人类等物质。大自然的奥秘指向粒子与反粒子之间的不对称性 asymmetry。这个特性促使粒子与反粒子的结合过程残存极少量未被抵消的粒子与反粒子，这就是形成物质宇宙的基本粒子。以下共享物质与异次元量子视域。物质宇宙中的物质粒子逐步结合形成自然生态，并外显为物系生态 physical ecosystem。 反观残存下来的反粒子 antiparticle， 则是组成反物质宇宙 antimatter universe 的基本粒子，并逐步进化成自然生态的内显以及异次元生态。现代量子理论指出，量子场域 Quantum Field 强大的能量海不断生成粒子与反粒子，二者的结合其实是借用真空中的能量，至于结合之后的瞬间湮灭，则是归还能量。以利能量守恒定律的 Law of Conservation of Energy 得以被持续维护。据此，量子理论 Quantum Theory 在宇宙的诞生过程中是位执牛耳的角色扮演者。以下让我们共享意识思维心对比灵性智慧。量子力学之父德国普朗克 Max Planck 的名言指称心是物质的母体 Matrix。他更指出，心的背后有念念相续的意识以及灵性智慧。一言之， Planck 已经明示心是意识的指挥者，念头由心而生起，并主构成意识。灵性智慧则是最高指导理则 Logos。 如今意识已经被广泛认同，必须由直觉思维的开发方能探索它的存在。进一步，佛教则指出终极理则是如如不动的空性寂灭，以及 Planck 所指灵性智慧。据此，意识思维已经凸显当代人类生存困境的逼迫，必须由直觉思维发展内在觉醒，超越二元对立，达到毕竟空境界，方能发挥现象界与终极本质 Ultimate Reality 在宇宙原初最大化的容摄。以下让我们共享圣玄结论：清凉月毕竟空。毕竟空是空的极致，非停驻在现象界的当代量子理论所能触及。毕竟空具备4种超越。超越1，宇宙万象表象是有，然其本源是空，彰显超越空有二元对立的必要性。超越2，终极本质是空性如如不动的寂灭。超越3，终极本质现象界彰显一如的终极平等，成就不一不异的如。超越4，彰显空有变具，有无相生，宇宙原初圆满合一 unification 的和谐统一关系。华严经云：菩萨清凉月，由于毕竟空，垂光照三界，心法无不现。经典教导，即将证悟佛果的菩萨，在行持中体悟天上清净无染的明月，映现出毕竟空的终极真理，这就是菩萨最终极的证悟。毕竟空大放极净光，划破三界无明潭岸，令终极本质与现象界的宇宙万法得以如实朗现。觉期轩永远走在时代魅力前沿，即日起全面双语播出，用心教会全球每一位读者。觉期轩是众生的直灯引路人。Let's share today's topic: Quantum Ecological Field, Material versus Alternate Dimensions. Volume and column number 18, Alternate Dimension Decryption. Let's share material universe formation. The universe as a unified entity composed all of time, space, and its contents. It includes planets, stars, galaxies, intergalactic space, subatomic particles, and all matter and energy. Yu refers to space, and Zhou denotes time. In this instant of the Big Bang, primitive light burst forth from the void and generated countless particles and antiparticles. Particles and antiparticles, when combined, annihilate each other, and those with identical properties transform back into primitive light. According to this, it's impossible for any material substances, such as galaxies, planets, and human bodies, to remain. Nature's mysteries usually point to the asymmetry between particles and antiparticles. This characteristic drives the process of particle and antiparticle pairing, leaving behind a minimal quantity of uncancelled particles and antiparticles, and these are the fundamental particles that form the material universe. Let's share material versus alternate dimensions, quantum perspective. The material particles in the material universe gradually come together to form a natural ecosystem, externally manifested as the physical ecosystem. On the contrary, the remaining antiparticles constitute the fundamental particles of the antimatter universe, evolving gradually into an internal ecosystem known as the alternate dimension ecosystem. Modern quantum theory suggests that the mighty energy sea of quantum fields continually generates particles and antiparticles. The combination of these two is borrowing energy from the vacuum, and their annihilation moments afterward served to return the power, ensuring the law of conservation of energy can be continuously maintained. Therefore, quantum theory plays the role of the prime mover in the birth process of the universe. Let's share consciousness, thought, mind versus spiritual wisdom. The famous quote by Max Planck, the father of quantum mechanics, states that the mind is the matrix of matter. He further pointed out that there is a continuous stream of consciousness and a spiritual wisdom behind the mind. In simpler terms, Planck clearly stated that the mind is the conductor of consciousness. Thoughts arise from the mind, and together they form consciousness. Spiritual wisdom, on the other hand, is the highest guiding principle, the so-called logos. Today, it's widely recognized that intuitive thinking can explode consciousness. Furthermore, Buddhism asserts that the ultimate logos is the serene emptiness of existence as they are, which is what Planck referred to as spiritual wisdom. In light of this, conscious thought has underscored the pressing need for contemporary humans to cultivate inner awakening, to transcend dualistic oppositions and attain the state of complete emptiness. This, in turn, enables the maximized integration of the phenomenon realm and the ultimate reality at the primordial state of the universe. Let's share Master Sangshan's conclusion, the moon beyond duality, ultimate emptiness. After all, emptiness is the ultimate reality, beyond the reach of contemporary quantum theory that remains in the realm of phenomena. Emptiness transcends in four ways. Transcendence 1. The myriad manifestations in the universe are existent, but their souls in emptiness, emphasizing the necessity to transcend the dualistic opposition of emptiness and existence. Transcendence 2. The ultimate essence as the serene extinction of emptiness as it truly is. Transcendence 3. The ultimate essence and the phenomenon realm manifests the ultimate equality of oneness, achieving a suchness that is not the one or diverse. Transcendence fall reveals the coexistence of emptiness and existence, the birth of existence from non-existence, and the harmonious unification of the primordial cosmos. The Avatamsaka Sutra states that the Bodhisattva, like a serene moon, roams in the ultimate emptiness, radiates delight upon the three realms, and there is no aspect of the Dharma of the mind that does not appear. The teaching of the scriptures is as follows. Bodhisattva who are about to attain Buddhahood, through their practice and conduct, realizing the pure and the untainted moon in the sky, reflected in the ultimate truth of emptiness. This represents the Bodhisattva's ultimate realization. The ultimate emptiness, so-called the Ayanta Sunyata, emits a profound and serene light, dispelling the darkness of ignorance in the three realms. This allows the universe myriad phenomenon, both ultimate nature and the world of existence, to manifest accurately and clearly. The Enlightened Online, forever leading the charm of the times, officially launched overall bilingual broadcast, dedicated to enriching every reader worldwide. The Enlightened Online, the guiding light for all beings.